Hello guys, today we will address a directory navigation issue. Now the problem starts that browsing a directories are restricted to the shell working directories. For instance, if the target has executed our Python script on the desktop, then our working directory is gonna be the desktop. And due to shell limitation, we cannot just simply type a cd and move on to another directory. Remember in module 2, we have explained that some commands won't work in a shell and cd is one of them. The best way to get the point of this video is to leave the problem. Let me first run our previous TCP reverse shell on both sides. Okay, so as you can see, our current working directory is on the desktop where our Python exists. Now notice what will happen after I issue a cd command to change my current working directories to C users. Okay, notice that our script will become non-responsive, and this is because the shell fails to handle the cd command properly. Now to overcome this problem, we have to explicitly inform the script to change its working directory. Again, that's because our shell working directory is restricted to the working directory of our Python script. The formula here is gonna be cd, then space, then the path that we want to go to. Then we will split up the received command based on the space into two variables. Thankfully, changing the directory is a matter of single line in Python. Finally, we send back a string mentioning the new current working directory. Note that I made up this line to avoid hanging the script as we have seen before a while. Okay, so let's give it a try. And let's start with cd. Okay, so we are currently on the desktop. Let's go to cd, then C users. And fair enough, after typing cd, you got that we have changed or we have moved to a users directory. So let's navigate that one, and I will go to htrace cd, then we have moved successfully. Okay. Now notice that once we are on the same directory with the file which we want to grab, then we don't need to specify the absolute path anymore. We can simply grab the file by specifying the file name only. So I will do grab module3.pdf, and fair enough, we got the file here. Let's verify it. .pdf, and fair enough. So at the end, I will just terminate the shell here. Okay, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.